Oppo Find X2 Pro Screen Replacement. The Oppo Find X2 Pro is a flagship smartphone that was released in March 2020 as the successor of the Oppo Find X from 2018. It belongs to the Find X2 series, which aims to push the boundaries of technology and create new possibilities. The Oppo Find X2 Pro has a captivating display that measures 6.7 inches and has an AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1440 by 3168 pixels. It also has a 120 Hz refresh rate, a billion color display, HDR10+ support, and a DisplayMate A+ grade. The display is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 6 and has an optical fingerprint sensor underneath it. The Oppo Find X2 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 5G chipset, which is a 7nm plus octa-core processor with a maximum clock speed of 2.84 GHz. It also has an Adreno 650 GPU, 12 GB of RAM, and 256 GB or 512 GB of UFS 3.0 internal storage. It does not have a micro SD card slot or a headphone jack. The Oppo Find X2 Pro has a versatile camera system that consists of 3 lenses on the back and 1 on the front. The rear camera setup includes a 48 megapixels wide-angle lens, 13 megapixels periscope telephoto lens, and a 48 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens. The camera supports up to 5x optical zoom, 10x hybrid zoom, and 60x digital zoom. It also has features like Ultra Night Mode 3.0, All-Pixel Omnidirectional PDAF Laser AF, OIS, Dual LED Flash, HDR, and Panorama. It can record videos in up to 4K resolution at 30 or 60 FPS, with Euro ICE and HDR support. The front camera is a 32 megapixels lens that can take selfies and record videos in up to 1080p resolution at 30 FPS. The Oppo Find X2 Pro has a large battery that has a capacity of 4260 mAh and supports 65W Super VOOC 2.0 fast charging. According to Oppo, the phone can be fully charged in 38 minutes with the provided charger. The phone does not support wireless charging or reverse wireless charging. The Oppo Find X2 Pro runs on Android 10 with ColorOS 7.1 on top. It has features like O1 Ultra Vision Engine, which can enhance the video quality and frame rate on third-party apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video. It also has Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, NFC, GPS, L1 plus L5, GLONASS, G1, BDS, B1I plus B2A, Galileo, E1 plus E5A, barometer, and IP68 water and dust resistance. The Oppo Find X2 Pro comes in 2 variants, black ceramic and orange vegan leather. The ceramic variant weighs 217 grams and has a thickness of 8.8 millimeters, while the leather variant weighs 200 grams and has a thickness of 9.5 millimeters. The phone also has a Lamborghini edition that has a carbon fiber back and gold accents. The Oppo Find X2 Pro is available in various markets around the world, and its price varies depending on the region and the storage option. How to replace your Oppo Find X2 Pro screen in Sydney CBD. If you have a cracked or damaged screen on your Oppo Find X2 Pro, you might be wondering where to get it fixed. You don't want to risk losing your data, your fingerprint scanner, or your Face ID by using a cheap or unreliable service. You want a professional and trustworthy team that can restore your phone to its original condition in no time. Replacing the screen of a mobile phone can be a stressful experience, but with the help of Sydney CBD Repair Centre, the process becomes hassle-free and efficient. Known for their expertise in mobile phone repairs and exceptional customer service, Sydney CBD Repair Centre is the go-to destination for anyone in need of screen replacement for their Oppo Find X2 Pro. That's why you should choose Sydney CBD Repair Centre for your Oppo Find X2 Pro screen replacement. One of the key factors that sets Sydney CBD Repair Centre apart from other repair shops is their commitment to using only genuine parts. This means that customers can have peace of mind knowing that their phone will be repaired with high-quality components that provide the same performance and durability as the original screen. Genuine parts also ensure that the phone continues to function seamlessly, without any compatibility issues. The process of replacing the screen at Sydney CBD Repair Centre is quick and hassle-free. On average, it takes around 1.5 hours to complete the replacement. This means that customers can drop off their phone, run errands, and return to pick it up with a brand new screen in a relatively short amount of time. The skilled technicians at Sydney CBD Repair Centre work efficiently to minimize any inconvenience for the customers. One concern that customers often have when replacing their phone screens is whether their old fingerprint scanners and Face ID will continue to work with the new screen. Sydney CBD Repair Centre ensures that these features remain fully functional after the replacement. This is achieved through meticulous calibration and testing to ensure that the phone's security features are as reliable as ever. With over 1,700 positive reviews on Google, Sydney CBD Repair Centre has established an impressive reputation for their exceptional service and expertise in mobile phone repairs. This large quantity of positive feedback reflects the high level of customer satisfaction, making it a trusted destination for Oppo Find X2 Pro screen replacements. Located at Suite 201, Level 2 661st George Street, Haymarket, Sydney CBD Repair Centre is easily accessible to customers in the Sydney CBD area. They are open from Monday to Friday, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. To make the process even more convenient, customers can book an appointment online or simply give them a call at 02-8011-4119. Walk-ins are also welcome during business hours, ensuring that customers can have their screens replaced without needing to schedule in advance. Sydney CBD Repair Centre stands out not only for their exceptional service but also for their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that mobile phone repairs are not limited to local customers. Therefore, they gladly accept mail-in repairs from both local and international customers. This convenient option allows customers from anywhere in the world to have their Oppo Find X2 Pro screens replaced by experts at Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Sydney CBD Repair Centre is the ideal destination for Oppo Find X2 Pro screen replacements. With their use of genuine parts, quick turnaround time, seamless functionality of fingerprint scanners and Face ID, impressive reputation, and convenient location and operating hours, Sydney CBD Repair Centre has established itself as the go-to repair shop in Sydney. Whether you're local or foreign, booking an appointment or simply walking in, Sydney CBD Repair Centre ensures that your Oppo Find X2 Pro will be in good hands. Don't let a broken screen ruin your Oppo Find X2 Pro experience. Contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre today and get your phone fixed by the best.